Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili con carne. First, gather all your fresh ingredients to ensure the best possible flavor. Browning your meat thoroughly is key for a rich, deep taste. Remember to simmer your chili slowly. This allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together perfectly. Finally, don't forget to adjust the spice levels to suit everyone's preference. Let's talk about the core ingredients you'll need for a fantastic chili. Start with 2 pounds of ground beef, or chuck for a hearty base. You'll want to finely chop 1 large onion and 3 cloves of garlic to build a flavorful foundation. Have 2 cans of diced tomatoes and 1 can of your favorite beans ready. Don't forget to measure out 2 tablespoons of quality chili powder. Now let's get cooking. Begin by browning your ground beef in a large, heavy-bottomed pot until it's fully cooked through. Drain any excess fat, then add your chopped onions and garlic, cooking them until they become wonderfully soft and fragrant. Next, stir in the diced tomatoes, beans, and all your carefully measured spices. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then let it cook for at least 1 hour. As your chili finishes simmering, it's time for those crucial finishing touches. Give it a taste and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps a little more salt or a dash of cumin. For those who love extra heat, a small pinch of cayenne pepper can really elevate the flavor. Serve your delicious chili piping hot, and don't forget to offer a variety of toppings like shredded cheese and a dollop of cool sour cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.